everybody, welcome back. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious arroz con tres leches. It is such a great dessert. I love it. It's super creamy. If you guys don't know how to make it, stay tuned and I'll show you guys how. For this recipe, we're going to start by mixing our 3 leches. Add 1 can of evaporated milk, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, and 3 cups of regular milk. Make sure you mix all 3 leches very well. And once they're mixed, we're gonna take it to the stove. We're gonna set the stove on very low heat so that the milk can start warming up. While the milk is warming up on a separate pot, we're gonna add 3 cups of water. I'm also adding 2 cinnamon sticks, the peel of a lime, and a pinch of salt. I'm gonna give it a mix and let it come to a boil so that the cinnamon sticks can release all its flavor. Let's cover it up. It's been about 6 minutes and the water is now boiling. Now we're gonna add 1 cup of rice. I've already washed my rice, and it's important to wash your rice because it removes some of the excess starch. We're gonna cover it up again for another 10 minutes. It's been about 6 minutes and we're gonna check on the rice. Okay, it's cooking perfectly. As you can see, the water is almost dried out. Make sure that your rice doesn't stick to your pot. Now it's time to add the milk mixture. As you can see, the milk is warm, and that's just how we want it, so we can add it into the rice. I'd recommend you stir it occasionally so that the rice doesn't stick to the pot or your milk doesn't boil over. Oh, if you could only smell it. It already smells so good. The heat is very low right now, so I'm gonna be putting it at a medium heat. We're gonna cook it for about 20 minutes, stirring it occasionally. Okay, I'm gonna stir it for a little bit and this is how it's looking. It's been about 10 minutes. We're gonna check on it again in another 10 minutes. It's been about 15 minutes and it's now time to remove the cinnamon sticks and the lime peel. It's been 20 minutes and the rice is now ready. I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the heat. I'm gonna be adding some raisins. Give it a mix. We're gonna cover it up and let it sit for 20 minutes. It's been 20 minutes since I turned off the heat. And now it's time to enjoy a delicious bowl of arroz con tres leches. It looks just amazing and it smells delicious. I wish you could smell it. And this is the consistency that we're looking for. Very creamy, super delicious. I also like to add a dash of cinnamon on top. And there you have it, delicious arroz con tres leches. All right, guys, moment of truth. My favorite part. Cheers. So creamy. Super delicious. It's sweet. For me, it's just right, but if you prefer less sweetness, you can always just add half of the condensed milk or however much you like. But it's amazing. What I also like to do is to leave it in the refrigerator so it's cold. I prefer it cold, but this right now, perfect. All right, guys, that's it for this one. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button. Any suggestion, comments, leave them down below and I'll make sure to read them. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.